Hi guys, how you all doing? Today we're going to make Irish soda bread. Now there's many recipes for Irish soda bread, including raisins and currants and all sorts of things. Okay, now I was shown a recipe a long time ago in County Cork, and the lady who showed me how to make this cracked in an egg to make it a richer bread. Now Irish soda bread is normally made with buttermilk, but we don't have buttermilk here, but we can make buttermilk. Now buttermilk is easy to make with normal milk and vinegar. Now I'm going to use apple cider vinegar, which I prefer. And what we'll do, we'll put 1 cup of milk to 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, and we'll let it stand for 5 minutes. However, this recipe calls for 1 3/4 cups of buttermilk. So 1 cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 3/4 of a cup of milk, 2 1/4 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar. Mix it up, let it stand 5 minutes. So let's get on and make our buttermilk. Right, all we're going to do now is cut a cross in the top of our soda bread. Very easy. Just cut across, straight across the top. Right, okay guys, now our bread's out. We need to either brush it with milk, straightforward milk, brush it over the top, or, as I'm going to do, I'm going to use fresh butter. So what we need to do is just rub some butter over the top. Nice and steady. Oh, absolutely fantastic. I know you shouldn't, but while it's still warm, I'm going to cut myself a slice. All we need to do is get in there. Oh. Oh. Crispy top, soft bread, smothered in butter, perfect soda bread. Now guys, if you like what we're doing, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.